Couples who are coming to us for fertility treatments, they normally come and ask that whether we can go ahead and do the treatments like IUI or IVF while this pandemic is going on. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Neha Gupta. I'm a fertility specialist and director of MediWorld Fertility. So today we are going to talk about the effect of coronavirus infection and fertility. So couples normally come to us and ask that can we conceive or shall we try to get pregnant while during this pandemic? See, coronavirus is a pandemic which is affecting more than 100 locations worldwide. We do not know till when this pandemic is going to last. So there are no indications to say that a couple, if they are desirous of pregnancy, they should avoid pregnancy or they should not try to become pregnant. Coronavirus per se does not affect your fertility potential and will not harm your baby. But in couples who have a history of close contact with a COVID patient or who has flu-like symptoms like running nose or low-grade fever or cough, cold, those patients should avoid getting pregnant in that month. But in the subsequent month, once the symptoms subside or there is no history of contact with any COVID patient, they are absolutely good to go and try for pregnancy. Now, couples who are coming to us for fertility treatments, they normally come and ask that whether we can go ahead and do the treatments like IUI or IVF while this pandemic is going on. Why not? Infertility is a stressful situation. So couples who are trying for a longer period, who are not able to achieve a pregnancy, those couples, if they try to seek fertility treatments, there is no harm at all. The fertility clinic, especially at MediWorld, we are taking all due precautions to make sure that there is no intermixing of people, do not allow more people to sit in a closed space. We make sure that we are doing all preliminary tests and investigations before we proceed and go ahead with an IUI or an IVF treatment. Coronavirus, does it get transmitted from mother to the baby? No. So there are no reports which say that coronavirus can get transmitted from mother to the baby or lady who's pregnant and who's suffering with coronavirus. Those ladies also would not be transmitting the disease to the baby. Whether these pregnant ladies are more at risk of developing severe illness. No, the data does not say that these ladies will have higher chances of developing severe illness. But in certain immunocompromised patients, or who have added medical history like gestational diabetes or hypertension, those females, yes, probably the chances of developing a severe disease would be higher, but not for all pregnant women. Now, if you ask us whether an IVF treatment is safe during this pandemic, why not? So IVF is a conservative treatment. It's not a surgical treatment per se. There is no evidence to say that the coronavirus infection can go to your eggs. Even for the sperms, there were some studies which said that if the patient is COVID positive, then the seminal plasma can have the virus for some time, maybe 2 to 3 months. But then there is no data which can confirm this. And in fact, all the studies that are coming in, they all are indicating that COVID cannot be transmitted through the ovary or through the sperms to the baby. But still, it's a new virus. We do not have so much of information about the disease. So we make sure that before starting the treatment for an IVF, we are screening the couple very well. We are ruling out any symptoms of corona or any contact history of corona. Then only we are going ahead, and with due precautions, we are making sure that the patient is safe and does not suffer during this pandemic. Coronavirus is a virus which is like a flu virus which originated from China and is spreading worldwide. When this pandemic is going to end, it is very, very difficult to say. Our researchers, scientists, they're working very hard to develop a vaccine for corona. Let's hope and pray that this pandemic ends soon and our patients do not suffer in the long run. Thank you.